The truth about Pharaoh revealed. For centuries it was thought that all Egyptian rulers were referred to as pharaohs. Actually, the Christian Bible insists that Abraham and Joseph interacted with pharaohs. However, modern discoveries show that this cannot be true. Pharaoh is a title given to rulers in the Egyptian New Kingdom, not before. So there were no pharaohs at the time of Abraham or Joseph. They were just kings. But the Quran didn't do this mistake. The Quran correctly addressed the ruler at the time of Joseph as a king, and correctly addressed the ruler at the time of Moses as Pharaoh. The Egyptian ruler at the time of Joseph was a king. Quran 12:52. The king said, "Bring him to me, and I will reserve him for myself." And when he spoke to him, he said, "This day you are with us, establish it and secure." The Egyptian ruler at the time of Moses was a pharaoh. Quran 40:26. Pharaoh said, "Let me kill Moses, and let him appeal to his Lord. I fear he may change your religion or spread disorder in the land." No mistakes in the Quran. How could a man who lived 1400 years ago have known who was Pharaoh and who was not?
وتيقظت أيضا نامت عيون الخائنين وعين نجمك لا تخون نامت عيون الخائنين وعين نجمك لا تخون